Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vero and in today's tutorial I will do this makeup. I love the result. I hope you guys like it too, and if you want to see how I do it, just keep watching. Let's get started. So I'm gonna first apply this Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer from Fenty Beauty all over my face. And after applying the primer, I will go with the HD foundation. I will apply a little bit here. I will go with this concealer from Makeup Revolution. I will start doing a contouring. I will put some here.
Over here, there, not too much.
And I will blend everything with my beauty blender. I start with the clear.
With the foundation.
And under the eyes area, to correct and conceal, I will use the Photo Focus concealer from Wet n Wild. I apply it on the chin too, on the forehead. And I will set everything with the Laura Mercier setting powder. I put some powder in here and I will apply it with the puff. And now I will start my eye makeup. So I will use a palette I have from so long time and I almost never use it. This palette is wonderful. It's the 35M Boss Mode from Morphe. This one right here. We'll take that. So I make sure I don't have any line. And I start blending on my crease. And I blend it very well. I will go with the same shades and I apply it under the eyes, right here. And with the same brush, I will go for a darker shade. I will take this one right here with this one to make sure it's not too red, and I start putting it in here, like to accentuate the outer corner of the eye. And we're gonna do this. And I will take this brown right here, it's a lot more darker, and I will combine it with this one, with the same. I will take a clean brush again and I make sure everything is perfectly blended. And now I will take this concealer from Makeup Revolution. It's the C6. I apply a little bit. And I will start creating a semi-cut crease. Now I'm taking a brush like this and I'm wet it with the Mario Badescu facial spray, and with the wet brush I will take this shade right here. So I apply it right here on the center of the eyelid. On the outer corner, I will use a darker shade and I will not change the brush. I will take this one because it's a lot darker. I will apply it right here to combine both of them. I don't have a lighter gold, so I start searching on my palettes and I think I found the Warrior by Juvia's Place, and it's this one right here. I think that could work perfect with my makeup. Or maybe they are very beautiful. I could take a little bit of each shade. I will take the shade Bakwa, this one, and I go on the inner corner of the eye. And after I take the shade Idia and I apply it right here. I apply here too, just a little bit to highlight. I will take this eyeliner from Makeup Forever, the Aqua Black, and I will line my eyes. Now I will curl my lashes. And the mascara I'm gonna use is Smoky Stretch by Makeup Forever. Well, I will go with some lashes and I will apply the Wispy from Ardell, and ta-da! I got the lashes on. And now I will start bronzing my face and I will use the Aladdin Powder Blush. Your wish is my command. Looking like this. And I will apply it with this brush. I take off the excess. Looking pretty good like this. And I will highlight with the Huda Beauty 3D Highlight Palette. And I will combine Seashell and Tahiti. I will start applying right here. On the top of the nose. Not too much. So now I will go for a lipstick. Well, I just aligned my lips. I wasn't sure if I will put the color. And I will apply the lipstick Nude Embrace from Maybelline. It's looking like this. Let's hope it's gonna work. Oh, it's looking very good. This is the final look of my makeup. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe to this channel. And yeah, see you guys on the next one. Bye!